Hi, I hope things went well with your diagnosis. I will enjoy responding on the discussion board how you did with things. It really is a great exercise to actually take it and do some real world things with it in terms of your school and where you're at. This final section, I'm just going to take you a tour through things. Like I said from the very beginning, you're going to have the slide deck at your disposal. And within the slide deck will be all the videos. And we'll also be resources that we have here. For example, this is just a ability to summarize Hershey and Blanchard's model. Here you have various resources which are how to get, there's some definitions of what the different things are to sort of refresh yourself. Um, there is a workbook here that actually Ken Blanchard with Johnson put out, the 1 Minute Manager. You may have heard that before, but anyway, many of his ideas of situational leadership are embedded in that. And that's a great resource and a handbook for you to use to sort of play around with the different ideas or refresh your sheets yourself. Okay, as I move over here, here is a self-assessment checklist, which I find these things helpful because what you're able to do here is really test your skill set, so to speak, in terms of understanding situational leadership and being able to, you know, sort of reflect back on what you did throughout this, the three modules that we had here. Okay. And finally, the shameless promotion part. Um, this here will click you on to where you can purchase my book called The Superintendent's Rulebook. It's about district level leadership, but I would argue that it's good for anybody in education, no matter what level you are, either in administration or even as a teacher. It'll give you insight as to the big picture you will be from the superintendent's chair, looking sort of throughout the whole organization. I'm a big NCIS fan. It's inspired by Jethro Gibbs and his rules. Um, you know, he he had what, about 50 rules. Well, I have a bit over 100. But the point being is that it's an easy read. You can pick and choose situations that you may find yourself in or you're curious about, and it's a way to sort of further discussion and thought. Finally, clicking this icon will get you to my personal emails. And in the subject line, you can put situational leadership. I'll be happy to answer any questions or anything you might have. Or if you want to talk about doing professional development or professional learning, we could get together with Winemaker and CTE and work out something that you may or may not need. So, I wish you all the best in your journeys. Again, thank you for what you do for children each and every day. And I hope this situational leadership, at least you could take away some parts of it to enhance your skills as a leader in your organizations. This is Dr. Patrick Darfler-Sweeney. Thank you very much.